Hey guys, welcome to another video here on Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media. In this video I just want to give you a small update on my Jeep and some of the styling or some of the accessories that I've currently added to it since the last video. So it's going to be real quick, so let's take a look. Okay, so here's just a quick side shot of the Jeep. I'm kind of going with an old school look. I got the full polished stainless steps. Those are the infab. I went with a full polished aluminum wheel from Pro Comp. I got a two-way radio installed. We'll show you that in a second. There's my Midland radio and my Rugged Radio's antenna mount. The front of the Jeep's going to be changing a lot because I'm going to be going with a bumper. But currently right now I have 4 of these, but I only got 3 installed, and that is the Striker Light Force LED off-road lights. Super high quality, built in Australia, and really pleased with those so far, but I can't wait to get them outfitted on the proper bumper and get my winch, things like that mounted. Okay, here's my Midland radio. That's the MXT115, mounted just above the mirror. I think it's a pretty good location. Works out really well. It's up out of the way. You really never even know it's there. Okay guys, so that right there is just a quick update, just a quick look at my Jeep Wrangler and some of the progress I've made. I got a lot of things planned, front and rear bumpers, fender flares, inner liners. I got a mile marker winch that needs to be installed. So got a lot of things going on, a lot of things planned for it, and of course you know how that stuff is. You got to plan and budget for it because these things ain't cheap to maintain and operate, but they sure are fun. So make sure you stick around, subscribe, and check out some more videos, and until next time, see you guys.